Girl, I owe you an apology, and I'm not going to make any excuses. In my recent video where I shared incredible information about foods you can use to get your skin back to glow again, to feel beautiful again, and to just take charge and own every room you walk into, I promised you a gift, and over 8,000 women went to grab that gift. And I kept getting emails telling me they couldn't find their email, they couldn't get their gift. And I thought, well, maybe it went to spam or to other folders. But as this kept going over the last 10 days, I just had to find out what might have been wrong. It was an error on our end. The link was broken and was not sending you the gift you deserved. This gift is the 101 food guide that is specific for hormone imbalance, to help you glow from the inside out, to help you rejuvenate your skin, but not just your skin, help you with other imbalanced symptoms like sticky weight and chin hair and fatigue, brain fog. And unfortunately, none of the 8,000 women who knew that was valuable so that they can start this year well and end this year different from every other year were disappointed. I am so sorry, girl. That's on me. I have fixed it. It now works. In case you are one of the few who tried to grab this valuable gift, you can grab it now in the description below. And hey, if you just landed on this video and like, I've never even seen the video, first of all, it's over here for you to watch. If you want the gift anyway, click in the description below or scan the QR code and take charge of your hormones, your body, your hair, your moods. And I am going to add a bonus to that gift. It's something that I typically give coaching clients, membership clients, people who have opted into our step-by-step guidance. And this is an in-depth assessment for you to be able to start to recognize some of the sources of your hormone imbalance, because you still deserve your gift. Click the link below. It'll be in the description. It'll be pinned as the first comment. I've gotten feedback from those who received the download, and one of the ladies said, I can't believe you gave this to us for free. It is an entire book. I said, absolutely. So thanks again for waiting patiently, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.